Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to turn on Windows Defender on your Windows 10 computer. So Windows Defender is basically a rebranded Microsoft Security Essentials that was provided for Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, and Windows 8. And now it's built into Windows 10. This is kind of what Windows Defender was back in the Windows Vista days when it was actually built into Windows Vista and Windows 7 as Windows Defender, except it's a completely different program. Like I said, it's mirrored off of Microsoft Security Essentials. And if you wanted to turn it on to offer some malware and virus protection on your computer, this tutorial will show you guys how to do it. So we're going to jump right into it. We're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Windows Defender. Should be listed right above Desktop App. So you want to left click on it to open it up. If it says real-time protection is turned off, you should turn it on. Click on this turn on button right here. Please keep in mind, if you're getting an alert saying that it's been turned off by group policy, talk to your security advisor to re-enable it through the local security policy editor. I'd recommend you guys check out a previous tutorial I made about resolving that, and there's a registry modification you can make, and it's pretty straightforward. But this tutorial is for most people that just would have a red X going through it. It should say your PC is being monitored and protected. You want to click on the settings button as well, right over here. And now underneath the settings window, once it's done loading, you want to make sure real-time protection is turned on and cloud-based protection. If it's turned off, you want to click on this button once to turn it in the on position. This will offer much better protection with the Windows Defender suite, and you can also enable automatic sample submission as well. This isn't necessarily necessary, but you can have it on as well. And enhanced notifications, you can keep this on as well if you need immediate attention to be addressed. I think it even expands a little bit beyond the core virus malware kind of notifications you would get. But nonetheless, it's a pretty straightforward tutorial. Once you're done doing that, I recommend you guys go underneath the Update tab and then Update Definitions. You can see we're really far behind on here, so you want to make sure you update it. Microsoft will incorporate Windows Defender Update Definitions through the Windows Update suite. So just going to have to keep that in mind as well. It will automatically update, but I'd recommend you guys update it the first time you re-enable it because they're probably pretty out of date. And I do hope I was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.